Let me show you how to add a realistic glass reflections effect on your pictures in Photoshop. Press Ctrl+A to select the whole image. Then press Ctrl+C to copy. Now press Ctrl+Shift+V to paste in place. Press Ctrl+T and transform. Right-click and convert the image to a smart object. Change the blending mode from normal to screen. Now add a levels adjustment layer. Make sure to click on this button to create a clipping mask. Go to Filter Blur and apply a Gaussian blur. Send the blur radius to 12.5 and click on OK. Now go to Image, add a Hue Saturation. Decrease the saturation value to take most of the color out of the reflections. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for your support.